Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today I will show you again what is happening on the Bitcoin chart price right now. If you want to know what trades I will open, then watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. If you want to know what trades I open, which trades you should open, and where the price of Bitcoin will go in the near future, then be sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I will show you a lot of interesting things. So we are moving to the 4-hour time frame. You see the Fibonacci grid again. We redrawn it again. We stretch it higher. Before that it was drawn something like this. Level 0.5 and level 0.618 have also shifted. You will laugh. You will say that the Fibonacci grid can be stretched to infinity, and respectively 0.5 and 0.618 levels will grow up to infinity. But I will tell you that there are such rules here, and this sometimes happens. And unfortunately, we stretch the Fibonacci grid up so often and grow without correction. Many analysts say it was a correction, but I don't think so. I don't think a 2.5% drop is an adequate correction for a 10% gain. Of course, this is not a correction, but it happens. It's more like a removal of stops, insufficient corrective movement. Again, nothing has changed. We are again trading between 0 and 382 levels, and our goals are getting higher. Each time we raise Fibonacci, our targets become higher, and now you should also enter the position from 0.5 and the 0.618 levels, but they themselves are now higher. Now 0.5 is $20,000 and 0.618 is $19,423. So I will buy more for my long position. As you remember, I currently have a long position on BYBIT. Now it's just in huge profit. Look at this percentage. Huge profit on my loan, which we accumulated when Bitcoin was worth up to $17,000. Now it costs $22,000. No matter what anyone says, my loan is in profit, which means that I predicted the movement that is happening now, but the corrective movement didn't happen. I expected it. I posted this formation in my Telegram group. I expected that we would normally rise to 0.5 and 0.618 levels, and at level 0.8 I wanted to buy more and increase my position, but this didn't happen. So I didn't recommend you go long here, and now I don't recommend it because I don't know where to put a stop loss here. You can say that we could enter on the breakdown of this range, which here appears as a flag, and put the stop loss beyond the lower border, but if you put a stop loss beyond that lower bound at 0.382, that's $20,711, and you'd be stopped out by that huge squeeze. This is also not entirely correct. There are big risks. So I don't like these trades. I prefer swing trades. I don't like to trade inside 3 days, inside 1 day, and on small time frames. I don't like to trade. I love full-fledged trades with good profit the way it's now. So if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your $30,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now they have a new year competition. You can spin the wheel and win a Tesla, win Bitcoin, iPhone, and much more. So follow the link in the description. So we turn again to charts, back to Fibonacci again. I want to show you the targets for our new Fibonacci. First of all, I will show the goals that we are now waiting for. We stretched the Fibonacci higher, respectively, and our goals became higher. If we enter trades here, we increase our risks, however, we also increase the profit, and the first target is $26,168. The second target is $31,625, and our target, our maximum target, $37,000. Just think about $37,000 could happen in the next month and a half, and we can already see this amount. When we were at 16,000, I said that in the next few weeks or a month we would see $20,000. Back then everyone was expecting $8,000, $10,000, but right now we are seeing $22,607. So we arrived exactly where I was talking about. Right now we are moving on. And yes, maybe we will make a correction from these values. I expect it. It would be very good if we made a correction right now. If we don't make a correction, then it will be more and more dangerous for us to grow higher. The stronger we grow, the less likely a healthy correction will continue. If we make such a movement, then again such a movement, and grow higher and higher in this way, so then we can get a huge drain, which will go as much as $8,000. So the more manipulative the growth is, the more aggressively the price will fall. Remember this, and unfortunately that's exactly what it looks like now. I don't want to say it, but now it looks like this, and growth looks quite manipulative. So let's see what will happen next. This is very short update. I also want to quickly show you other graphs. We have already discussed them in previous videos. So there was a support zone and a trade zone. We tested the trade zone. The support zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As many as 5 times tested and released on large volumes. What can happen in the short term? At least a retest of this range. It would be nice if we retested it. If this doesn't happen, it's not terrible, but it will again make us think that this is manipulative growth. So we also look at another chart. This is 4-hour time frame. Again, they made a recovery in the form of V, in the V form. So we entered this area. We will trade for some time in the zone 19,21,500, and then we will need volumes. Volumes have appeared and we are leaving, so I'm waiting further. At least I'm waiting for a retest and moving on to the next block, which begins here, and the next block is $23,500. If we look at one more time frame, this is the weekly time frame. You could just open a weekly frame, not use any other time frames in the form of 15 minutes or 1 hour or 4 hours. You could only use the weekly time frame. Look at this chart and see that we are exactly as expected. We are going to $30,000. Nothing changed. We go into this block, retest the lower border, and trade for several months within this block. So I told you that if we enter this block, then we will definitely test the upper border of this block. Now everything looks exactly as I said. The upper limit is $30,000. Yes, there can be squeezes going up to the upper limit. For example, a $40,000 squeeze. That's too big a squeeze, but it could be $32,000, $31,500. In any case, we will test the upper limit in the next months, maybe earlier. It's dependent on the dynamics, on how the price of Bitcoin will grow. So don't forget that we also have the S&P 500 index. Remember what I said in yesterday's video, by Tuesday we may fall. Look at the chart. On Friday the S&P 500 index closes in good profit, wins back almost all the fall that was before, and closes as if it gives an opportunity to grow to the trend line on Monday. So test it and start falling on Tuesday. Accordingly, I expect for the time being the same, that the fall will begin on Tuesday. On Tuesday, we will begin to correct at least this momentum. I will not say that we will make a correction in full, completely reset the growth that we currently have, but at least we will make a correction to the movement that we see, and time will show how big it will be. Graphics will show, but for now, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. So thank you for